In South Africa, you can start a business with 20 rand. You understand? You can start your own business with 20 rand. Guys, nowadays there is no time to shy. You are saying people they are laughing at me when they are seeing me selling cool times. You understand? At end of the time, at end of the day, you want food, you don't have food, but you guys start with a 20 rand, go and sell cool times. You understand? Go and sell cool times is better, because you at end of the day, maybe you can get a 70 rand profit or 80 rand. You can buy something to eat. You understand? Just because, guys, you don't have shy when you are selling cool times, because, guys, no one can gives you money. No one can gives you money. There is no money for free, guys, in this world. You understand? Start something, do something with your own life. Just because when you are saying I'm shy, shining, what people they are laughing at me, what, but those people they don't help you with anything. They don't help you with any cent. You understand? Guys, do something to for living nowadays. Do something for living. Don't shy.